Imagine a country where two continents touch, where the whispers of history linger in every street, and the scent of spices, coffee, and the sea drift gently through the air. This is Turkey, a land of contrast, where ancient ruins and modern cities coexist, where bustling markets meet quiet villages, and where mountains, deserts, rivers, and seas each tell their own story. Turkey stretches across 780,000 square kilometers, with over 85 million people calling it home. It sits at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, divided by the shimmering Bosporus Strait, connecting the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara, and opening pathways to both continents. Its landscapes are breathtakingly diverse. Snow-capped mountains rise above volcanic plateaus in the east. Lake Van, the largest in the country, glimmers under the sunlight. Central Anatolia holds surreal valleys and Cappadocia's fairy chimneys, while underground cities hide stories from thousands of years. The Mediterranean and Aegean coast shine with turquoise waters, and golden beaches meet ruins that have survived millennia. Along the Black Sea, dense forests stretch endlessly, and central deserts shimmer quietly under the golden sun. Turkey's history is vast. It was home to Hittites, Lycians, and Phrygians. Then Greeks, Romans, and Byzantines left their mark. Constantinople, now Istanbul, became the heart of the Byzantine Empire, a city of domes, minarets, and palaces that shaped the world. Later, the Ottoman Empire ruled for over 6 centuries, leaving behind mosques, bridges, and streets filled with artistry and life. Cities like Ephesus, Troy, Pergamon, and Göbekli Tepe still whisper tales of civilizations long past. Walking through Turkey feels like stepping through time. Istanbul's streets hum with light. Minarets rise above modern skyscrapers, and the Bosporus glimmers at sunrise and sunset. Cappadocia's valleys are silent and surreal, waiting for balloons to float above them. Ancient ruins, volcanic lakes, gorges, and forests offer endless adventure, while coastal towns invite calm, reflection, and golden sunsets. Turkey's culture is alive. Freshly baked bread, sizzling kebabs, and rich Turkish coffee fill the streets. Music floats from squares, mosques, and homes. Handcrafted carpets, ceramics, and calligraphy tell stories of centuries of skill and culture. Tea is a ritual, coffee an art, and hospitality a way of life. Visitors are welcomed with smiles, stories, and warmth, making every moment unforgettable. The landscapes shift dramatically. Snow-capped peaks give way to golden deserts. Turquoise seas meet ancient ruins. Forests breathe quietly under the sun, while rivers wind through valleys, carrying life and stories. Even the smallest villages feel alive, each with its own rhythm, traditions, and quiet charm. Turkey is a land of adventure. Ski on Yaluda's snowy slopes, raft along rushing rivers of the Black Sea region, or explore hidden gorges like Sakura. Float silently above Cappadocia's valleys in a hot air balloon. Witness mystical golden dervishes in Kona, or hear prayers echo across centuries-old mosques. Life in Turkey balances modernity and tradition. Skyscrapers rise beside ancient palaces. Modern streets hum beside cobblestone alleys. Markets overflow with color and spice, while villages breathe quietly under the sun. Every moment feels alive. Every corner tells a story, and every journey feels like stepping into a painting, a memory, or a dream. Visiting Turkey is not just sightseeing. It is tasting, smelling, hearing, and feeling it. Floating in a hot air balloon at sunrise, walking among ruins older than most civilizations, listening to the wind, the waves, and echoes of history, and sipping tea while life continues around you. Turkey is a land of contrast, a country of beauty, culture, and endless discovery. Where east meets west, where mountains, seas, and deserts coexist, and where every journey becomes a story you carry forever. This is Turkey.